Every day, 70 people die on the roads and streets of Europe. 70 families are tragically shattered by the loss of a beloved partner, parent, sibling, or child. The number of road fatalities stayed high even in a year of low traffic due to the pandemic. At Roadpol, the European Roads Policing Network, we believe that increasing road safety is a challenge which should unite states, institutions, NGOs and the general public across the continent. This is why we created the Roadpol Safety Days, a campaign aimed at achieving zero road fatalities in Europe for at least one single day.
And we proved it works. Last year, on the main day of our event, we had 0 fatalities in 16 European countries. The overall drop of road-related fatalities was more than 50% during our campaign carried out under the slogan "Stay alive and save lives."
In 2020, more than 300 campaign events were carried out across the continent. Numerous workshops, conferences, demonstrations and competitions were organized to raise awareness of the importance of road safety. And this year, we feel even more confident as the support for our cause has been steadily growing.
Hi, this is Mika Häkkinen, double Formula 1 world champion. This year, once again, we call you to take part in our campaign. Visit roadpolsafety.eu and spread our messages to schools, universities, governmental organizations and NGOs. Come along and organize your own Roadpol Safety Days event. You can also participate by signing our road safety pledge and becoming our ambassador to the community. Tell your family, your friends, neighbors and colleagues about the Roadpol Safety Days. Be proactive and help your country achieve zero, stay alive and save lives.
In its endeavor, Roadpol does not walk alone. The European Commission has been backing the campaign from the start. And this year, as always, the Roadpol Safety Days will coincide with the European Mobility Week in September.
Hi everyone, please support the 2021 Roadpol Safety Days campaign. Delighted that right on time for the UN Road Safety Week, we're focusing on speed as a key campaign theme, particularly in cities. We need those safe streets. 30 kilometers per hour is the right default speed for urban safety. In fact, cutting speed may be the quickest way to reduce road deaths to zero. And remember, stay alive and save lives.
Europe is the safest region in the world when it comes to road safety, but we still have a long way to go. By 2050, our goal is 0 deaths and serious injuries on European roads. We'll reach our target only through a combination of legislative measures, adequate funding, standards for infrastructure and vehicles, digitalization, and best practices exchange. Stay alive and save lives.
The World Health Organization has also stood by our side.
Across the 53 countries that make up the European region, 70,000 people are killed and hundreds of thousands more injured on our roads each year. Road traffic injuries are preventable, not inevitable, and campaigns like Roadpol Safety Days reminds us of this fact. On this one day, all road safety stakeholders, road users, community representatives alike come together to show what is possible, how road trauma can and will be prevented, and that deaths and serious injuries should never be accepted as an outcome of motorised transport. Stay alive and save lives.
Only together we can reduce the number of road-related deaths to zero. And only through our joint effort we eventually will achieve the day nobody died on the roads and streets of Europe. Join us, stay alive and save lives.